My answer here is controversial for most because I don't think that everyone should have a personal brand as an SDR. And this is coming from someone who had a personal brand as an SDR and have coached and trained a lot of people on this. And then this is where people are like, whoa, you have a brand. Like, why would you tell people not to do that? Because I think everyone needs it because everyone's goals are different. I knew where my skills were and I knew what I needed to do and I knew what I wanted to become. And I was like, I need to create content. In 2016, I knew that one of the most valuable skill sets that you can have is to create content because that ultimately is a skill set of getting attention. And if you can get attention, you can pretty much do anything. So that was like my whole mindset. But most people may not want to have that mindset. They may want to be a really good seller. They want to like get really good at that craft and they don't want to do anything with creating a brand and they would rather just be in the weeds. Great. So I think that you need to take a step back and realize why would you actually want to go create the brand? What does that mean to you? Long term, what are you looking to build before you decide to do that? I don't think every single SDR should have it. I do think it is important though to have a good internal brand. So that's why you need to do the work. But the external brand, you can still have a good one by doing the work internally. But if you feel like called or you feel compelled or like you are good at video, you are good at creating content and you've always want to do it, I do encourage you to hop on it because it is a fantastic opportunity. But I don't think every single person should have all the, I mean, I got a lot of gear around me. I don't think everyone should have all this stuff to create content. I don't think it's that necessary at the end of the day. You need to focus on getting good at what you do first.